Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your AutoCAD version and workspace are correct. Workspaces change which menus appear. Once done, type menu bar at the command line and set it to 1 to re-enable the legacy menu bar. Next, open CUI, Customize User Interface, because this is where you modify menu structure, items, and visibility. As you enter CUI, focus on the Menus node on the left. That's where you'll create new menus or edit existing ones before assigning them to a workspace. Once inside CUI, expand the Menus node and either create a new menu or select one to edit. You drag commands from the command list into your menu layout, arranging them into logical groups and inserting separators for clarity. Make sure to set each button's macro or command string so it performs the correct action. Edit the name and description fields to keep it organized. Also use the preview pane to confirm layout and icons, because visual checks prevent usability mistakes when you apply changes. After editing, click Apply and OK to commit your menu changes. Do not skip this step because changes live only after you confirm. Then assign the modified menu to your active workspace in the Workspaces section so it loads automatically when that workspace is active. Save or export the CUI so you have a backup copy you can import later. If the menu does not show, reset the workspace, reload the CUI file, or verify menu bar is still set to 1. These fixes resolve most visibility problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.